Hey, hello. In this lecture, we are going to discuss syntax and location of the script, where we place the script, right? So, very basic, simple syntax is there. It having very simple syntax. With the help of script tag, we can place the script. In between the script tag, we may place some code here. In between the script tag, we may place the code. It having one attribute, that is a type attribute. Type equal text slash JavaScript. Just this attribute is not mandatory. It was as an optional. So in between the script tag, we may place JavaScript code. Not only this one. Suppose if you are having your JavaScript file in other location, if you want to import that file with the help of script tag only, we can done. Script tag with src attribute, we can place the location of JS file. With the help of this script tag with the src attribute, we may attach our code to this HTML. We can place. How many ways we can attach this script tag to our HTML? Where we place? Suppose this is our location, HTML and head tag, and there is a body tag. Suppose this is our HTML code. In between head tag and in between body tag and in between head and body tag, and you may place anywhere in this location. In between head you may place any location, in between body you may place any location. Just I will check how we are implementing. Just you observe this and open text editor, and I am creating one sample.html file. Very basic code I want to write here, very sample code, and I don't want right now this one. This not required, including script tag. This is a basic one. So title I want to place here. Title, my first JS file execution, right? So I'm saving this. For understanding purpose, I want to open live server, go live. Just you observe. So this is our code, and when I am writing something, so here my first page automatically it comes, right? This is our page. It updates editor. Now I want to place the script tag in between head section. So within that I want to write document dot write welcome to welcome to my channel, right? So it is also print, but now I want to focus one more object, console.log welcome to Hyderabad. But it is not available. Just for this point of view, you should use inspect console. In between console we get this. So welcome to Hyderabad. Just you observe. Welcome to Hyderabad. Now, actually this console log, in between console, we may check our code for execution point of view. We may check. So this is a one way. We may place text on in between script on in between head, and the same thing I want to place here. In between body also we can write, nothing to happen. Yes, you may update here. So here I want to update Srikanth. So which one will be takes? Just you observe. What is our first priority? So you observe, both can print actually, right? Both can print. Just I want to place this break tag. Just a break tag. So it will be works, and both are separate, both works differently, and I want to place here, just to observe, var a, I am declaring one variable var a equal 25, and in between this script is also I am using. Just I want to print here same document dot write of A. Just observe what we are getting. 25 is our value. The same method I am trying to execute here. Then what we are getting? 25 only we are getting. At a time I am placing here where A equaled 555. Then it is not updated previous one, right? In between head tag it is not update and both are different. Suppose here this not having this in between head tags, the script tag doesn't having variable A. Then what happens? It not takes the value of the body tag value, right? But body tag is takes the value of A. Just observe, I am commenting this where A equaled 456. Where A equaled 456, then it updates both level. In between head tag what we are placing, it takes both level, but in between body tag it not updates actually. Just observe 1055. It comes. But when I am commenting this in between head script tag, but it not takes. So you may observe the body tag can capture the values from head tag, but body tag never share the value to head tag. So that's both are different. And I'm removing this one. So we place our file. So sample.js. So I'm placing the script tag here. So here we are placing our content. Here. Document.write. Yes. So we are placing our content script tag sample.js. We are taking one particular file and same one script tag we are using, and in between script tag I am using src attribute and I want to place sample.js. What happens? It updates. Just you observe sample.js I am updating here. Just you update this value, right? Yes or no? So what is the type of this variable? Just you observe, write type of A. It is a number. I am commenting this. Type of A is document.write. Type of A number. Just I want to use here in a sample.js. In HTML I want to use this break tag after immediate first line. Number, right? So I am using here some decimals. I am placing here some decimals. Even also it was number. In a place of A, I want to update with Srikanth. Just Srikanth. Double quotes. Single quotes or double quotes, your wish. Then what happens? String. So we may give, like, suppose we are using in between like a, and what is mean by this? Object. And it can be object, right? Just in between head we may place, in between head and body we may place, and some other location we may place script, and we can access that script with a script tag and src attribute. Same can be placed in between body tag also, not happens. Everything is same. Everything we are getting similar, right? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.